Raise your hand if you do not know. Everybody knows?
Cotton Eye Joe, I've been married a long time ago. Where did you come from? Where did you go? Where did you come from, Cotton Eye Joe?
All right, spread out. Give yourself some room. Spread out.